Electric ratchet wrenches can save time and effort during repairs, but choosing the right one isn't always easy. Many tools lack enough torque, have weak batteries, or feel uncomfortable in tight spaces. A good electric ratchet should be powerful, compact, and easy to control for smooth operation. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best electric ratchet wrenches you can buy right now, perfect for car maintenance, garage work, and DIY projects. We analyzed features, performance, and user feedback to build this list. Check the description for links and latest prices. Let's get started. Number 5. LYUWO 12V Electric Ratchet Wrench. The LYUWO 12V cordless electric ratchet wrench is a compact and practical tool designed for everyday repair tasks. With 45 Newton meters of torque and a 3/8 inch drive, it handles nuts and bolts efficiently without excessive effort. The right-angle head makes it easy to reach tight and narrow spaces, especially inside engine compartments. It also comes with 4 sockets, so you can start working right out of the box. Lightweight and cordless, it's ideal for home mechanics, small repairs, and quick maintenance jobs. Number 4. SEESII 6-inch Extended Ratchet Wrench. The SEESII 6-inch Extended Ratchet Wrench stands out with its 6-inch long neck design, giving you better access to deep or hard-to-reach areas. Delivering up to 55 Newton meters of torque, it provides enough power for most automotive and mechanical tasks. The 12-volt cordless system includes 2 rechargeable batteries, allowing longer working time without interruptions. Its ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling during extended use. Perfect for both DIY users and professionals, this tool combines reach, power, and convenience in one package. Number 3. M-Walk Cordless Right-Angle Ratchet. The M-Walk cordless electric ratchet is a versatile option built for flexibility and performance. Its right-angle design allows smooth operation in tight spaces, making it ideal for car repairs and mechanical work. One of its key advantages is compatibility with Milwaukee 18V batteries, giving users access to longer runtime and reliable power. It performs well for removing screws, nuts, and bolts quickly and efficiently. This tool is perfect for users who already use Milwaukee batteries and want a dependable ratchet solution. Number 2. DayPlus 3/8 inch 90-degree cordless ratchet wrench kit. This 3/8 inch 90-degree cordless ratchet wrench kit is designed for convenience and complete usability. It comes with 2 batteries and a 7-piece socket set, making it ready for work right away. The built-in LED light helps illuminate dark or tight working areas, improving accuracy and safety. Its compact body and smooth operation make it easy to handle during long repair sessions. Whether you're working on cars, bikes, or household tasks, this kit offers reliable performance and great value. Number 1. TaskStar Electric Ratchet Wrench Kit. The TaskStar Electric Ratchet Wrench takes the top spot thanks to its balanced performance and user-friendly design. It features a 200 RPM variable speed trigger, allowing precise control during different tasks. With 40 Newton meters of torque, it delivers consistent power for tightening and loosening bolts efficiently. The 12-volt system includes 2 2.0 amp-hour batteries, ensuring longer usage time without frequent charging. Its ergonomic grip and compact build make it comfortable to use in tight spaces, a perfect choice for both beginners and professionals. A good electric ratchet wrench makes repair work faster, easier, and more efficient. These top picks offer a great mix of power, battery life, and usability for different needs. Whether you're a DIY user or a professional mechanic, there's a perfect option here. Which one would you choose? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.